already down there on the start line. We've got Richard Sweetman out here in the yellow off gate 4. Then just pulling up to the tapes there, we've got Chris Holder in the red helmet colour off gate 1. And we've got Davey Watt here off gate 3. Now this is going to be a real good heat. I mean, these guys, Davey Watt and Chris Holder, are two of the front runners so far already in the Australian Championship. They're teammates in the UK, but there's no teammates here. You're in individual racing here in Australia, so there's no mates out there on the track.
Absolutely, Steve. All's fair in love and war, but we saw some handlebar action before, and luckily no one came to grief. But I tell you what, that was a close run thing on that first lap going into turn 3 for the solos there. What a cracker of a heat, Steve. All I can say is wow.
Yeah, mate, if they keep going like that, you will need the oxygen tank.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, Steve will call this one for you. It's event 3, heat number 3 for the CBS Fins Australian Solo Championship.
Straight, but Chrissy Holder riding a really smooth, tight line there. We've got Justin there, and we've got Richard Sweetman riding a very wide line around the outside, trying to get back up there and Davey Watt, but it's a long way around the outside this early in the night. Chris Holder out front making it look comfortable there, and then as we say, Davey Watt is starting to try and make up a little bit there on young Justin Sedgman, but I think unless Sedgman makes a mistake, then Davey Watt is not going to Chris Holder still, there we go, Davey Watt slips a little bit on the inside there as he goes to try and make a move on Justin Sedgman, pushing him very hard, look, running him out wide there, and Davey Watt's got up the inside there, and this is where a bit of experience caught young Justin Sedgman out. Someone like Davey Watt lined him up, and then just pushed him out on the last bend to get through into